Do you love bell peppers? Bell peppers are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal, and they're easy to grow at home with the right guide. Several nations consider the bell pepper, Capsicum annuum, to be a favorite vegetable. It may be used to prepare meals, consumed raw or cooked. For novices, the bell pepper is a fantastic option because it requires little upkeep. Both soil and hydroton can be used to cultivate the bell pepper hydroponically. Hydroton is a kind of medium that encourages plant growth by utilizing both water and air. Red, orange, yellow, and green are just a few of the hues that bell peppers, a particular kind of pepper, may be found in. They can be cooked but are commonly eaten raw. Vitamins A and C are abundant in bell peppers. They may be raised in a container or a garden. Choose the appropriate pepper type. Bell peppers are available in a wide range of hues, forms, and sizes. Selecting the appropriate variety of bell pepper is vital to get the most out of this tasty vegetable. The most popular kind and always in stock are green bell peppers. They taste somewhat green and are sweet and crisp. The flavor of red bell peppers, which are also widely available, is sweet and delicious. Compared to green bell peppers, they have a little more heat. While less prevalent than the other hues, orange bell peppers have a strong sweetness. Bell peppers with a yellow color are delicious with a hint of bitterness. Compared to red or orange bell peppers, they are not as hot. Many types of bell peppers are delicious, but some are more suitable for certain cuisines than others. Choose your plant carrier. You'll want a planting pot that can hold as many bell pepper plants as you intend to cultivate. Sizing. Most grocery shops have green bell peppers, but you might not be aware that these peppers can also be cultivated hydroponically. Since it requires less area than conventional gardening and allows for year-round indoor growth, hydroponic gardening is an excellent way to cultivate bell peppers. You must select a planting container that is at least 10 inches deep and 12 inches wide in order to hydroponically produce bell peppers. Be careful to place the seeds 1/2 inch deep and 2 inches apart when doing so. Every 2 weeks, treat the pepper plants with a heavy nitrogen fertilizer. Drainage. Hydroponically growing bell peppers requires good drainage. When the peppers are watered, the excess water must be allowed to drain easily away from the plants so they can't sit in water and rot. This won't be an issue if your soil is sandy, but if it's heavy, you might need to add extra perlite or another drainage element to the mix. Raised beds or drainage tiles can also be put in to keep the water flowing. Be aware of your climate. Hydroponically bell peppers are a fantastic produce to cultivate. These vegetables are adaptable and may be consumed both fresh and cooked. Making the proper growth media choice is crucial when hydroponically producing bell peppers. Follow us on social media, like this video, and subscribe to our channel.